This is Bunny with Bunny Plays Here. If you're looking for Fit for Expedition, you found him.
We just recently left the Blythe Bluegrass Jam, which is normally the Blythe Bluegrass Festival. This year it was the Jam. Now we are getting ready to head toward Ehrenberg and Skooliepalooza. These are two things that I would definitely recommend. If you have not been to the Blythe Bluegrass Festival or Bluegrass Jam, you want to check that out. If you have not been to Skooliepalooza in Ehrenberg, you definitely want to check that one out too. Let's take in some of the sights and sounds of Skooliepalooza. Check this out. This has got clearance. This is like total off-road 4x4 Ford pickup truck, but it's got this big old RevCon camper. I wonder if that must have been a factory at one point, I'm guessing. Pretty cool. We're doing Skooliepalooza 2023 and we've finally got rid of Ron. We were trying to get rid of... Oh, Ron, you're right there.
Yeah, I was just about to walk up and introduce my fellow First Fridays YouTube partner channels, Marshall of Mellow Nomadic Ventures and Greg of Fit for Expedition Fun Seekers. Hey guys, how's it going?
What's going on? You look cold. Or is he just shake a lot? Oh yeah?
Yeah, this is a lot of people for him.
Yeah. Having fun?
Are you?
No. Yes. Yes.
No. No.
You're not having fun?
No.
You hate it?
Absolutely terrible. I hate it.
Having fun, Marshall? Your head is really big on the camera.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a good, great time.
Yours is even bigger.
No way!
Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Ron sees America's Wild Ride.
Hey, what's up?
Check this out. It's basically, well, it's a kitchen. There's probably a toilet in here somewhere, but then she's got this bed area up here.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's got a permanent bed back there.
Yeah.
So I mean, but basically everybody's builds are, it's a kitchen.
Yeah.
And then you got stuff built around it.
Yeah.
You know. Hey guys, if you like the videos that we post here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up.